Disclaimer: all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. It is very important to do your own research and analysis before making any investment based on your personal circumstances. Due diligence is the key. Trading market always has a risk involved.
Hi mga ka-chubs! So ngayon ay March 18, Monday. So tara, first day of the week, silipin natin kung ano mga nangyari for today's market. PSEI ended higher by 30 points. So up tayo ng 0.45% to close at 6853 levels. So we expect that PSEI na magti-trading muna tayo, trading sideways with a downward bias ahead of the trading holiday next week, March 28 to 29. Our PSEI market rebounded as traders pick up battered names after the FTSE rebalancing related selling last Friday. Tapos, dagdag natin to. Syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan. Expectation on March 21. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung date na yun. March 21 for the US FOMC interest rate decision is to be unchanged. So, konting ingat lang dyan. Tapos, PSEI market ay meron tayo ngayon net foreign selling na negative 24 million. Ang ating top gainers at losers. For gainers, ang top 1 natin si Metrobank 6.83%. DMC up siya ng 3.77%. BDO up siya ng 3.38%. And for losers, si LTG down siya ng 6.31%. ICT down naman siya ng 2.48%. At URC down siya ng 1.97%. Ito mga ka-chaps sa LTG, earnings niya today, mamaya i-review natin yan. So sell on news. Tapos si URC naman, ako grabe naman si URC. Down na down ka na, wala na yata mo. Ano ba dapat na gawin ng mga Gokong Way? Bakit lahat ng mga stock nila, RRH, URC, lahat down na? JGS, ako, Diyos ko Lord. And for commodities and currencies, mga ka-chubs, the price of gold is currently trading at $2,163. Expectation on March 21, ahead of the US FOMC interest rate decision, is to be unchanged. Tapos, ang palitan sa ating merkado, USD to PHP ay nasa 55.64. And for oil naman, nasa 81 per barrel naman tayo. Coal price is unchanged. Tapos naman, ang nickel ay down siya ng 0.92%. Mga ka-chubs, for this week, March 19, 2024, mag-oil price update muna tayo. The price of gasoline will increase by 0.10 pesos. The price of diesel naman will decrease naman by 0.10 pesos. And the price of kerosene has unchanged. And for our schedule of PSEI earnings to be released this week are the following. So, March 18, today to, si Converge ICT, saka si LTG. So, mamaya, i-check natin sila. And for March 22 naman, si GT Cap Holding Incorporated at si Wilcon. And for our key datas to be released this week are the following naman. So, for March 21, so actually tatlo sila sa March 31, sunod-sunod to. So, US FOMC interest rate decision. Tapos, US initial jobless claims as of March 16, 2024. Tapos, US S&P Global Preliminary Manufacturing PMI for March 2024. And ito naman, bagong dagdag natin to. For the top gainers last week, March 11 to 15. Ang una natin dyan, si LTG with 8.54%. LTG was one of the top foreign bought stock at 296.63 million pesos. Share price surge ahead of the financial year 2023 earnings announcement. Today siya, Monday, March 18, 2024. And for PLDT, up naman siya ng 4.23%. LTG shares gap up as the investors saw an opportunity to accumulate following the latest disclosure on the security class case suit which signals that it was close to settling the lawsuit filed in the USA District Court for the Central District of California. Investor may be also positive ahead of TEL or PLDT's ex-date on March 20, 2024. It was one of the top foreign bought stocks also at 514.8 million pesos. And lastly, for Metrobank tayo, up siya ng 2.38%. Metrobank is also one of the top foreign bought stocks at 393.93 million pesos. And for our top losers last week, March 11 to 15, una dyan si Wilcon Tipo. So down siya ng 9.52%. Wilcon share price dip ahead of its financial year 2023 earnings announcement to be on Friday, March 22, 2024. Consensus is expecting 3.71 million pesos bottom line, in line with our 3.64 billion pesos expectation. It was one of the top foreign sold stock at 137.7 million pesos. Tapos, ang next naman natin, si Emperador naman. So, down naman siya ng 9.14%. Emperador share price dip amid the effectivity of the stock's exclusion in the FTSE indices, effective after the close of the business on March 15, 2024. It was also one of the top foreign sold stock at 1.6 billion pesos. And lastly, ang pangatlo natin, si ASEN Corporation, down siya ng negative 7.37%. ASEN Corporation ended financial year 2023 with consolidated revenues of 36.5 billion pesos. So 4% siya up year on year, and net income of 7.4 billion pesos, down naman to ng negative 43% year on year, below consensus estimate, dragged by the impairment of India's platform amid the impact of the cost overrun and project delays. And mga kachabs, ang next nating silipin is si Converge Information and Communication Technology Solution Incorporated or Converge. Converge ICT reported a net income of 9.1 billion pesos, a 22% increase year-on-year. This performance is the result of the company's disciplined approach in deploying capital to expand its fiber network and improve its overall service. And for our sector comparison, let's compare ang 2023 income statement ni Globe, PLDT, at ni Converge. In terms of revenue, capital expenditure, and income statement, PLDT is our winner, maintaining its status as the country's leading telco player. So, kitang-kita naman, no, si PLDT pa lang pinakamaganda currently. And for charting, currently, looks like Converge has seen its bottom at around 8.35 pesos per share and currently trying to break its downward direction. Converge catalyst is its net income for the financial year 2023 at 9.1 billion pesos or at 22% year-on-year. Converge RSI is currently at 45 levels and Converge is currently trading at 8.86 pesos per share. Traders can accumulate once the 9 pesos resistance is nabasag. Tapos, pwede rin kayo mag-take profit sa around 10.35 pesos per share or a 15% profit from its current price. Tapos, syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-set ng stop loss around sa 8.35 pesos per share. And next nating silipin, si Global Ferronickel Holding Incorporated or simply FNI. Global Ferronickel Holdings Incorporated or FNI, a leading nickel ore producer in the Philippines, recorded revenues at 8.8 billion pesos in 2023, a consolidated net income of 1.8 billion pesos or a negative 15.9% decrease from previous year. This is mainly due to the high base from the last year's that include a one-time gain of a 680 million pesos from its settlement received by a subsidiary in 2022. So, ito pala mga ka-chubs, yung mga source of income ni FNI. So, Palawan Mine started last September 2022. Ang na-export niya is 1.42 wet metric tons. Tapos, sa Siargao Mines na mayroong 3.2 wet metric tons. And for our sector comparison, let's compare ang 2023 net income statement ni Nickel Asia Corporation at ni FNI. In terms of revenue, wet metric ton exported ay net income, NIKL is our winner, maintaining its status as the country's leading nickel exporter in the Philippines. And next naman natin si 11 mga ka-chubs, si LTG Group or simply LTG. LTG attributable net income for the financial year 2023 amounted to 25.42 billion pesos, a 1% higher than 2022. Dividends declared is in March, May, August, at November. 2023's dividend is amounted to 1.2 pesos per share or a total of 12.99 billion pesos, representing a 51.7% payout rate. And for the source of income naman ng LTG, ang tobacco business ay may 45%, banking sector or CBNB ay 42%, Tanduay 6%, Asia Brewery 2%, Eton naman 2% din, Victoria's Milling Company 1%, other income 2%. And for LTG's net income summary, the tobacco business net income for 2023 amounted to 11.38 billion pesos, at 26% lower than 2022. So 15.34 billion pesos, largely due to the industry-wide price increase in first quarter of 2023, increasing illicit incidents and trade inventory movements. So, next naman natin, si PNB, net profit naman under pooling method was 19.02 billion pesos, a 62% higher than 2022. Next naman natin, Tanduay Distillers Incorporated. Net income for 2023 was 1.57 billion pesos or 7% more than 2022. As of December 2023, Tanduay Distillers nationwide market share for distilled spirit was at 31.4%. In the Visayas and Mindanao region, where most of the Tanduay sales are generated, market share was 71.8% and 79.3% respectively. And for Asia Brewery naman, net income for the financial year 2023 was 578 million, a 1% lower than 2022. Cobra Energy Drink maintained its leadership with a market share of 60.4% in 2023, while bottled water brands Absolute and Summit have the third largest share at 19%. Ang next naman natin si Eton. Eton net profit in 2023 was 453 million pesos, 21% higher than 2022. Leasing revenues were 17% higher year-on-year. Eton currently has a leasing portfolio of around 289,000 square meters, of which close to 192,000 square meters is for office space. And mga ka-chubs, syempre, huwag natin kalimutan, palagi natin itong sinisingit, ang ating March market calendar. Mga ka-chubs, take note nyo na lang ang mga dates na March 18, 20, 22, at 26. Silipin natin kung sino-sino ang mga companies na nag-declare ng kanilang mga dividends sa araw na yan. Mga ka-chubs, take note, to qualify, an investor must already be holding the shares one trading day before the ex-date. And for the type of dividend, regular meaning the company is declaring dividends on a regular basis, and special meaning a one-time payment conducted by a company to distribute assets to its shareholders. So, ito pa. Sinama na pala natin dito yung April. And lastly, si Bloomberry Resorts Corporation, or simply Bloom. Ultra-billionaire Enrique K. Razon Jr. is betting on Solaire North, a $1 billion resort opening in the late May to solidify Solaire's position as the country's industry leader and redefine Quezon City's hospitality landscape. Solaire Resort North, owned by billionaire Enrique Razon, is located at Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City, is just 5 minutes away from the famous Quezon Quezon Memorial Circle. So, Solaire North is owned and operated by Razon's Bloomberry Resorts Corporation, marks a new chapter in Solaire's ongoing success story. Razon, Bloomberry's Resort Corporation Chairman and CEO, expects it to be a positive impact on our growth, widen our market footprint, and reinforce our brand strength. Tapos, ito naman yung summary nila. Boasting 526 guest room and suites, Solaire North becomes the Quezon City's first integrated resort. Guests can experience Solaire's signature service excellent across 4-level casino with 2,669 electronic gaming machine and 163 tables. Guests can indulge in the world-class culinary delights across diversified selection of restaurant. Tapos, ang next naman natin is, syempre, families with children can look forward to dedicated pool areas and interactive kids club, ensuring a memorable experience for all of ages. Tapos, next natin, art program, showcase work by renowned local and international talent, adding a touch of cultural enrichment to the resort's ambience. And also, 4,200 direct employment opportunities created.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe to Go Chubby Trader, like the video, and share with family and friends. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.